This is the Transportation TV News Update. I'm Tony Dorsey reporting. In Washington, D.C. this week, members of the U.S. Senate reacted strongly to the May 31st Sky Express bus crash that left 4 people dead and dozens injured near Richmond, Virginia. Virginia Democratic Senators Mark Warner and Jim Webb joined 5 other senators who signed a letter to Transportation Secretary Ray LaHood saying, quote, "The pattern of enforcement by DOT has been uneven, inconsistent, and ineffective." According to the senators, data indicate that driver fatigue, thought to be a cause of the Virginia accident, is at the root of 37% of accidents investigated by the National Transportation Safety Board. The senators said these crashes indicate the urgency in addressing these critical safety deficiencies. In other news, the National Weather Service says heavy rain fell in parts of Montana this week, washing out homes, roads, and bridges, and raising concerns about Missouri River flooding. Southeast in Bismarck, North Dakota, the Army Corps of Engineers has built a massive emergency levee it hopes will hold back the release of millions of gallons of water from a series of dams over the next several weeks. The Corps' plan is designed to lessen the damage caused by flooding from the Missouri River. Iowa also feeling the effects of the swollen Missouri River. The state activated its emergency command center Friday as the Iowa Department of Transportation urged motorists to stay tuned to its website for updates on road closures. A long list posted there on Friday as the regional forecast called for several days of continued rainfall. Also this week, AASHTO, AAA, and the U.S. Chamber of Commerce announced the first winners in this year's America's Transportation Awards competition. Here are the names of the 8 winning state departments of transportation and their projects announced Tuesday, June 6th at the annual meeting of the Northeastern Association of State Transportation Officials. 4 regional competitions will decide the top 10 projects to compete for the National Grand Prize and the People's Choice Award to be presented at the AASHTO annual meeting this fall. The contest website, www.americastransportationaward.org. And finally, taking AASHTO on the go. We call it AASHTO Mobile, a brand new app that gives you access to transportation TV, AASHTO's latest press releases, the AASHTO Journal, and real-time traffic information nationwide from INRIX. Find out how to download the free iPhone app at AASHTO's homepage, www.transportation.org. That's the Transportation TV News Update. Thanks for watching.